Jackpot. Pick 4 winnings ease father's back to school worries. The pick 4 numbers 6666 will always be etched in the mind of Nakia Anderson, especially during back to school period as they brought him winnings last Saturday, easing the financial pressures he is accustomed to facing at this time of the year. It wasn't hard this year. Anderson's only child will be attending St. George's College in September. With glee, he told the Star that he has been able to cover the school expenses because a bit of luck came his way. Me win pick 4 and can buy the youth school things and me feel good. Me buy the 1 o'clock draw Saturday and go do some work. Minutes after 3, me check my phone and see the number them play. Me just say yes, my son nice, said a smiling Anderson, who operates a small shop in his community and does site work whenever the opportunities arise. Could not have come at a better time. His son was transitioning from primary to high school. I want him get where me never get in a school, so I always go hard for him. From him there constant spring all age, him show me say him know him schoolwork. I always encourage him. I want the best out of him, he told the Jamaican Star. Yeah man, so this is a proud father. I know when the kids them are do good, they have to try and reward them so them can continue doing great. Yeah man, so Anderson described his son as a good behaving and understanding child, a good youth, so I have to put out my best. Him no keep company. Only when him hungry, him come and say, Daddy, me hungry. Otherwise, I just beer TV him watch and him a learn. So me no trouble him on that, Anderson said. Although he was not able to get all of the items on his son's book list yesterday, Anderson said that he was happy he was able to get most things out of the way. Whatever I don't get now, his mother will come back and buy them when them get them in stock, Anderson said. So he told the Jamaican Star that had it not been for his luck, back to school this year would have been just as difficult as previous years. Yeah man, so this is a relief for a trying father. You know, sometimes the thing get tough and you have your youth for take care of. Yeah, so this just happened for work out in his luck this time. Man, hit the pick 4 and maybe I just for as a state I just for take care of some back to school supply. Him never get for done deal with the whole life, but yeah, I have to big up to all the real father them out there where I try for make ends meet for them youth. So yeah man, all of the real father them, big up this your father, yeah man, cause more of this we want, you know. Yeah man, I'm out. Like, share, subscribe and hit that notification bell.